how did you look at margins and packaging? What did you focus on to build such a profitable business practice?
Well, one of our focuses was, make sure we focused on and built offerings that provided at least a 55% gross margin. And we talked about that yesterday as well. And I think that's for a number of years at Infinite, I wasn't getting that. I was probably getting something more like, I don't know, sometimes 25 or something. And you might be losing money at that level, to be honest. So yeah, 55% margin, and then in order to get there, we would always do packaging. And so, I mean, I think the second BPOS came out, one of the first things we did is put it into our managed services offering. It was a little more difficult then because of the way the billing and stuff was done. It was much easier once CSP came out and you own the billing relationship. And yeah, I mean, if you fast forward, from BPOS days to when CSP was released, we would package everything up from Azure, Office 365, and security all into just a simple offering, which we call the Infinite Technology Transformation Services. And it's just, here you go, here's all of it. And I think that by packaging, number one, I think you differentiate. You're not just out reselling, Microsoft's product then, right? You've actually created a solution offering, and we branded those offerings ourselves. You're using the names of your products that you've come up with. I'm not calling Office 365 something different. It's just simply part of, and it's listed as, included in whatever, we happen to call our offering. Like if we called, Infinite Shield was our managed security service. And that was, a package of a whole bunch of Microsoft products and a few other things. And then obviously services, and then our tool that we invented and created. And so when you do that, you're kind of selling your own package. You almost have like a little product that you're selling then at that point. So I think it adds a lot of street credit. I think it also is I think easier to market and create brochures for and stuff like that. It's also even easier to bill for, to be honest. So I think it optimizes kind of operations in a lot of ways as well. But you also increase the value of those products individually by packaging them up, is what I found, because how a customer perceives that package is that it's a higher value than these single products separately, right? For whatever reason, they just feel like, okay, I'm getting all this, and it just feels like more value, and so you're able to charge more money for it. And so that's how we went about it, and it worked. It wasn't uncommon for us to give $175 to $200 a person in our contracts, which is pretty high by MSP standards.